Hello my dear friends, today I am going to explain you formation of differential equation. This formation of differential equation means formation of differential equation. The easy concept for that one is, suppose that I am taking y equal to x power 3. If I say that write the derivative of this one. So we can say y1 or dy dx equal to 3x square. It means that when you are going to write first derivative, we can write it y2 6x, we can write it y3, that means third derivative 6, we can write 4, that means 0, 5, that means 0 also. So see that one, all derivative you can write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, where all derivative becomes 0. It means that one, where can I write infinite derivatives, or we have to stop? So where you have to stop for the derivative process. A process where you need to stop the derivative is called formation of differential equation. For that, what is the meaning of this one? In the formation of differential equation and finding the derivative, this one is also formation of differential equation, this one is also formation. But in formation of differential equation and here, the difference between this and this is only that in formation of differential equation, maybe one constant, two constant or three constants are there, arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constants given. If arbitrary constants are given, means one, it means you have to differentiate one times, find the derivative first time, and then after delete, cancel the arbitrary constant by using the given function and by using the given equation. Whatever you got the value in terms of derivative, that is called formation of differential equation. If two constants is given, it means that you have to differentiate two times, and after that one, whatever you got the answer, that one is called formation of differential equation. What is the meaning of this one? Before going to start, I am going to tell. Before going to start, just I am telling you that one. If suppose that we are using e, capital pi, these are called constant. That means these values never be changed. But where alphabet, small alphabet, which I am using as A, B, C generally, they are called as arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. The meaning of arbitrary constant is, the meaning of arbitrary constant means a constant whose values are changed. But constant E and pi are something also whose value never be changed as called constant. Arbitrary constant, this is also constant. Derivative of this one is also 0. Derivative of this one is also 0. Derivative of this one is also 0. But the difference between these two is this value, these two values never be changed. But these values, these constant be changed. That's why it is called arbitrary constant. So I am going to explain you by taking one example. Form the differential equation. Form the differential equation of x y equal to c1 x square plus c2 divided by x, where c1 and c2 be the arbitrary constant. Where c1 and c2 be arbitrary constant. c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. What is the meaning of arbitrary constant? Again I am telling you how to form the differential equation. Just nothing. You have to differentiate this function two times. After derivative, getting the second derivative, you have to delete, you have to cancel, you have to eliminate c1 and c2. After elimination of c1 c2, whatever you got in terms of whatever you got answer in terms of derivative with this function is called formation of differential equation. So now I am going to solve this one. See, can I use this one like x y equal to c1 x square plus c2 divided by x? Just use the cross multiplication, then the derivative process will become easy. Just use the cross, this will multiply by this one, so it comes x square y is equal to c1 x power 3 plus c2. Now what is the benefit of that one? The benefit of that one means, now differentiate this one, differentiating it with respect to x, we get, what is that? By using product, x square, derivative of y I am using y1, plus y, derivative of x square is 2x, is equal to 3c1 x square, derivative of that one is 0. This is the first derivative. What you have to do, this is your first derivative. What you have to do, now find next derivative. That means derivative of x square y1 plus 2xy is equal to 3c1 x square. Now again find the derivative, use product method here. So x square, derivative of y1 is y2, plus derivative of x square 2x y1 plus 2x, again you have to use product rule. So 2x y1 plus 2, derivative of 2x is 2, y is equal to derivative of this one is 6c1x. 6c1x. Now see that one, assume this one is second equation, this one is first equation, and this one is second equation. So from first and second, can I write second as x square y2 plus, see 2xy, that means 2xy1 plus 2xy1, 4xy1 plus 2y equal to, see that one, we can write it as 2x multiplied by 3c1. Yes, 2 3 is 6. Now from equation first, we can use this like x2 y plus 4x y1 plus 2y equal to 2x, and the c1 is 3c1 is this one, x square y1 plus 2xy divided by x square. See that one, 3c1. 3c1 means this term divided by x square. Now simplify, this and this cancel, and now multiply it by this one, or you can use this one also, x square y2 plus 4x y1 plus 2y, and see, open the bracket, 2x square y1 divided by x plus 4xy divided by x. So cancel this one. So it comes x square y2 plus 4x y1 plus 2y is equal to 2x y1 plus 4y. Replace here. So x square y2 plus, see that one here, 2x y1 and here 4x y1 minus. So it comes plus 2x y1 plus 2y minus 4y, that means minus 2y equal to 0. See that one, there is no constant term here, there is no constant c1 and c2 here. It means there is no arbitrary constant involved in the differential equation. It means this is your formation of differential equation. Hopefully my dear friend, you understand this equation. Second example is, form the differential equation of the function ln of y equal to a times e power x plus b times e power minus x, where a and b, where capital A and capital B are arbitrary constant. So it means that one, what is that arbitrary constant means here? Arbitrary constant means here a and b, means there are two arbitrary constants here. So what you have to do, it means that one you need to differentiate two times. After getting the derivative, you have to cancel arbitrary constant capital A, capital B from the given equation or given function. So now I am going to solve this. Ln of y equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. Find the derivative. Its derivative is 1 divided by y. Ln of y means 1 divided by dy dx. What is that? Here I am using here chain rule. Chain rule means d dx of ln of u is 1 divided by u into du dx. Du dx means, see that one, ln u. U means here y. 1 by y into dy dx equal to a e power x minus b e power minus x, because of derivative of this one is minus. Now see that one, this is the first derivative, because of the, as I told you in the beginning, that in the formation of differential equation, if two constant is given, you need to differentiate two times. One constant is given, that means you need to differentiate one times. Three constants is given, that means you need to differentiate three times. And after getting the derivative, you try to cancel, delete all arbitrary constants from the given function, given equation, and this will be solved by using algebraic way. So see that one, this is the first derivative. Now can I write the derivative second, because of we need to differentiate? Yes, we can use, again you have to use uv method. So derivative of this one is minus 1 by y square dy dx, plus derivative of this one is 1 by y, derivative of dy dx is d2y dx2, equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x, because of derivative of e power minus x is again minus minus plus. Now see that one, if you see, they assume that one, this is equation 1. So from first, see that one, can I write like that one? See, d2y dx2 equal to a e power x plus b, that means ln of y. Now check, how many constants are here? A and b. How many times you have to differentiate? Two times. So see that one, two times derivative, and constants also cancel. So that means there is no constant is available. It means that you can say this is your formation of differential equation. Just simplify, you can write it. Simplify means just use that cross multiplication. So we can write it. See here y square, here y. So just multiply by y. So it comes y, y2, y2, because of multiply this one, or you can say that one divide by y square. So when you say divide by y square, so it comes y square divided by y, that means y d2 minus y1 equal to y square ln of y, dividing by y square, or you can say that multiply. So y square divided by y, this cancel, and y square divided by y means y, y2 equal to y square ln of y. So you can write it like that one, or y, y2, y2 minus y1 minus y square ln of y equal to 0. See that one, there is no constant, arbitrary constant is here. It means that one, this is your formation of differential equation where two arbitrary constant a and b are given. So this is your answer. Hopefully you understand, my dear students. The example of that one is, this is very good question. Form the differential equation of y equal to a times x minus a square, where small a arbitrary constant. So it means that one, how many times you have to differentiate? One times. So now I am going to solve it. y1 equal to 2a x minus a. See that one, y1 is equal to 2a. Now derivative process is finished. It means that one, by using this one and this one, you have to cancel a. Derivative process is finished. You have to cancel a by means of algebra. So now see that one, I am assuming this one, this is equation first and this is second. So second by first, it means that divide second, y1 divided by first equal to 2a x minus a divided by a into x minus a whole square. It means that one, see, someone asking why you write like that one. So my answer is, because of only one constant is here, so that means you have to differentiate one times only. See that one, after that one, no need to differentiate. It means that now you have to cancel by using this and this one, you have to cancel arbitrary constant. If you got the cancellation of a, it means your answer will be in terms of derivative. Therefore it's called it is the formation of differential equation, because of the equation is written without the arbitrary constant. So how we can see this cancel and this cancel? What is that one? y1 divided by y equal to 2 divided by x minus a. Can I write this one as y1 x minus a is equal to 2y. Yes, x minus a is equal to 2y divided by y1. Therefore, a is equal to x minus 2y divided by y1. A equal to this one. Now, this one is a. Now from equation first, write that, substitute this value a here. So it is a. A means x minus 2y divided by y1, and x minus a means x minus already here, so plus 2y divided by y1 power 2. This and this cancel. After that one, simplify. Whatever you have, that one is the formation of differential equation. Now I am going to simplify this one. So we have, after cancellation, y equal to x minus 2y divided by y1, and after cancellation of x, it is 2y divided by y1 power 2. Simplify it. So we can simplify it as xy1 minus 2y divided by y1 and 4y square divided by y1 power 2. Simplify it. So it is, use the cross multiplication, y1 power 2, y1 power 1, y1 power 3. That means y times y1 power 3 equal to 4x y square y1 minus 8y power 3. See that one? This and this multiply. So y1 power 3 and y equal to 4x y1 and y square minus 4 to the 8 y power 3. Simplified, y1 power 3 minus 4x square y1 plus 8 y power 3 is equal to 0. So common that one, or you can simplify, you can write it as it is. This is your answer for that one. Hopefully you understand. Now I am going to tell you another good question. Example, form the differential equation of y is equal to a sine ln of x plus b cosine ln of x, where a and b constants. So see that one, a and b arbitrary constant. That means you need to differentiate 2 times. So differentiating 2 times, after the derivative, getting the derivative of 2 times, you need to cancel a and b, and that one the answer. So now I am going to simplify. That means I am going to solve it. So first derivative, y1 is equal to a, derivative of sine is cosine ln of x, and derivative of ln of x is 1 by x, and derivative of cosine is minus b sine ln of x, derivative of ln of x is 1. So now can I write like that one by using cross? Yes, xy1 equal to a cosine ln of x minus b sine ln of x. Now again differentiate by using cross multiplication. So what is that one? xy2 plus y1 minus a sine ln of x, and derivative of ln of x is 1 by x, minus b cosine ln of x, and derivative of ln of x is, see what is that? I am using here chain rule of that one. d dx of cosine u is equal to minus sine u into u dash. So derivative of cosine minus sine ln of x, and derivative of ln of x means u means here ln of x. So 1 by x minus b, derivative of sine is cosine ln of x, and u means here u dash, u means here ln of x. So u dash is 1 by x. Now simplify, again simplified, this common and multiply here. X square y2 plus xy1 minus, see that one minus, keep outside, it's come in the bracket a sine ln of x plus b cosine ln of x. So see that one, a sine ln of x plus b cosine x is y. So write it here, xy2 plus xy1 equal to minus y. So see that one, this is the derivative form, but no constant, arbitrary constant A and B is involved, it means that this is your answer, means this is your formation of differential equation. Hopefully you understand this one also. Hopefully you understand this one also, my dear friends.